Hey, hello again, Mike at Charles Mill Marina. What you see behind me here is Starcraft's EX22C in white with black trim on the outside. This boat is 22 long, it is 8.5 wide, and really can be equipped with any motor from a 9.9 horsepower here at Charles Mill up to 115 horsepower wherever you want to be. Why don't you come on board and take a look with me today. The first thing on this boat that really pops out to me is the seating. There's a lot of it, and it's really nice looking. So we have the contrast in gray and the dark gray here. It just looks really nice. The attention to detail here with the piping, it just makes this boat's interior look pretty awesome. As you come a little further back here, one thing that I really like with this boat's the power top. So this boat is simply, you lower the bimini with a push of the button. You don't have to fiddle with it. It's real quick and easy. Another thing that you'll see is the traditional L layout on the back of this with a sun deck. So if you have someone who loves to just hang out and catch some rays, right there's the spot for them. And finally, we have Starcraft's brand new table, super sturdy, not going to rattle around on you when you're on the lake, just very well made. So with everything we do here at Charles Mill Marina, we're going to include the safety equipment, delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio. And then on the water lesson, we're going to spend about an hour with you making sure you're comfortable with this boat when we deliver it to you, answer all your questions. We're also going to handle titling and registration in-house. If you think this is the boat for you, give us a call at 419-368-5951 or check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com. We'll see you soon.